Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the literature portion, that is the Open Sky. The name of the book is Open Sky. In this chapter I have completed the chapter number 1 already, the poem Daffodils, and I have also started the chapter number 2, that is Nandu and the Charcoal. Okay students, in this chapter, in this story, we have also read that there is a boy whose name is Nandu, and he was very silly boy. He was very stupid boy. He spent all his time by doing silly activities, and therefore his parents were also concerned with that. They were also very much anxious. They were also very much worried about it, that his son was not focusing on study. He was not interested to go to school. And one day, while going to the bazaar, while going to the market, on the way he saw the piece of charcoal. And on the way he saw the piece of charcoal. Dear students, yesterday I have told you what is the meaning of charcoal. What is charcoal? It is a kind of substance of black color that is made by the burning woods. Okay. So one day when Nandu was going to the market, on the way, on the roadside, he found a piece of charcoal and he was looking it continuously. And he was thinking that why the color of this charcoal is black. He was thinking that in this world everything is colorful. Birds are colorful, flowers are colorful, houses are colorful, but why the color of this charcoal is so black? Therefore, he was thinking to change the color of this charcoal. And on the way, when he was talking to himself, a villager was passing through, and he saw that Nandu was talking to him. And when he reached near the Nandu and asked, "What are you doing, Nandu?" Then the Nandu replied that, "See this poor charcoal, it is so black. In this world everything is colorful, but the color of this charcoal is so black. Why?" Therefore, he wanted to change the color of the charcoal. So the villager laughed too much, and he couldn't stop laughing on the words after listening the words of the Nandu, and he suggested him. The villager suggested him, it is very simple. You can change the color of this charcoal. Then he told the way that how it will change. He said that you dip that piece of charcoal into the bucket of milk. Then the Nandu believed at him, and he went to the milkman, and he put the piece of charcoal in the bucket full milk. And in this way he spoiled all the milk, all the bucket full milk. But the color of the charcoal did not change. And when the milkman saw that, he was also stunned, he was also astonished, he was also surprised that what the Nandu was doing. And then Nandu said that, "I want to change the color of this charcoal. Therefore, I dipped this charcoal into the bucket full milk." But it did not change. Then at this again the milkman also laughed at him. And he also suggested him what to do for changing the color of this charcoal. So he suggested, what he suggested? He suggested that you scrub it with soap and water. And the milkman suggested him to scrub that piece of charcoal with soap and water so that the color of the charcoal will be changed. It may be white. And Nandu again believed on the sayings of the milkman. He went near the tap, water tap, and there was a soap and water, and he was just scrubbing that piece of charcoal, and the soap also turned black, the water also turned black, and his clothes were also became dirty. But the color of the charcoal did not change. And again there a woman who came there to fetch water, and he saw what the Nandu was doing. She also stunned. She also surprised what Nandu was doing. And she asked to the Nandu that is he giving a bath to the charcoal? Then the Nandu replied, no, he did not giving a bath to this piece of charcoal. He wanted to change the color of this charcoal, therefore he is washing. He was scrubbing with soap and water so that the color of the charcoal became white. At this the woman also smiled, also laughed, and said, what the woman said? She said that, how silly. It is given at the page number 16. Up to this we have read. Now come to the page number 16 here. How silly the woman to herself. And the woman said to herself that how silly, how foolish the boy is, how foolish the Nandu is. She said to herself. And turn the page number 17. Listen, Nandu, this washing is useless. Now the woman also suggested him, also said to him that this washing of this charcoal is useless. And now charcoal can become white only you rub it on the grinding stone. Grinding stone. Grinding stone means millstone. Millstone. You are grinding stone. Stone. Grinding means here it is a kind of stone, millstone. Okay, student, just see. Here the woman was suggesting him that by washing with the water, with the soap, the color of the charcoal will not change, and it will change only when you will scrub it, when you will rub it on the grinding stone. Okay, student? Just see, hearing these words, again he also believed. He believed on the sayings of the woman. In the beginning he believed on the sayings of whatever the villager said, he did. Whatever the milkman said, he did. Whatever the woman said, now he is going to do. Now, hearing this word, Nandu ran into his house. And hearing this word, he ran into his house. And there was a grinding stone. He started rubbing the charcoal on the grinding stone. And now he started rubbing the charcoal on the grinding stone. The pieces of charcoal became small. By grinding continuously, the piece of the charcoal became smaller. The piece of the charcoal became small, but it still remained black. But it is still remained black. It did not change its color. Now, just then his mother noticed him, and just then his mother noticed that what the Nandu was doing. And she noticed him and wondered what he was doing. And she was also wondered, she was also surprised that what the Nandu was doing since morning. And then, Nandu, what are you doing? She asked. The mother of Nandu asked to him that what are he doing? What is he doing? What new idea have you got now? His mother also asked him that what new idea has he got? I want to make it white. Asked his mother. And his mother asked to him that what a new idea has he got? And what is he doing? Now the Nandu replied. What replied? Mother, I am rubbing this piece of charcoal on the grinding stone. And Nandu replied that he is rubbing that piece of charcoal on the grinding stone. And I want to make it white. And he also said to his mother that he wants to change the color of that charcoal, the piece of the charcoal. Nonsense. So this is what you have doing all morning? Nonsense. His mother said that nonsense, you are doing these things since morning. So this is what you have been doing all morning and you are stupid. His mother said you are doing silly work. And since morning you are busy to make this piece of charcoal white. Now, what a waste of time and energy. And she also said, the mother of Nandu said that what a waste of time and energy. Since morning, Nandu was moving here and there for changing the color of that piece of charcoal. Now see, foolish boy. And she also said to her son, a foolish boy, stupid boy, throw that charcoal into the fire and stop all this. And now the mother said to the Nandu that throw this piece of charcoal into the kitchen fire, into the fire. And stop all this. Whatever you are doing, stop all this thing and throw this piece of charcoal into the fire. And now Nandu was so innocent. And he obediently threw this piece of charcoal. Now see here. Just see. What a waste of time, energy, foolish boy, throw that charcoal into the fire and stop all these things, said his mother. His mother said that you stop doing all these nonsense activities and throw this piece of charcoal into the fire. And now Nandu obediently threw the piece of charcoal into the kitchen fire. And he was very obedient. He was very innocent. By following the words of his mother, he threw the piece of charcoal into the fire. Now what happened? He saw the charcoal burned. He saw that charcoal burned and turned into white ashes. And it turned into white ashes. And he was surprised. After burning the charcoal, the color of the ashes, ash means rock, the color of ashes turned into white. And he was happy to see this. And now he was happy to see this. After burning the piece of charcoal, the ashes that remains, that is white. And after seeing the ashes, he was very happy to see that changing color of the charcoal. Now see, Nandu enjoy. He said, mother, you have given me the answer. And enjoy, he was very happy after seeing the color of that charcoal. It turned into the white ashes. And he was very happy. And he said to his mother that, mother, you gave the answer of my question. You have given me the answer. The black charcoal has indeed turned white. And he also said that, mother, this black charcoal indeed really turned into the white ashes. Okay, students? So, in this way, Nandu did so many things for changing the color of that charcoal, that piece of charcoal. Okay, students? I hope that you all have understand this story. There is a boy, Nandu was so stupid, but he was innocent also. In this way, we can also say that Nandu was so obedient. He follows the words of the villagers, he follows the words of the milkman, he follows the words of the woman, as well as he followed the words of his mother. But he was foolish, because he spoiled the time as well as energy for changing the color of that piece of charcoal. Okay, students, this is all about the story. In this way, we have completed the story. Dear students, you will complete the word meaning of this chapter. I had given the homework also. Okay, now come to the exercises. Today, we will complete the exercise, that is learning words. Okay, students, just open the book and put out the pencil also. Now, we will do the exercises which is given at the page number 18. Just see the page number 18, everyone, and put out the pencil also. Okay, just see. Learning words. Learning words are given here. Just see. Meaning of some words are given here. In this exercise number first, there is no number. Only learning words is given at the page number 18. And meaning of some words are given here. Meaning of the words are given here. And find out the words from the box below. And there is helping box also. Helping box are also given. Helping box is also given. And write the given space correctly. And you have to choose the correct word for given meaning. And you have to fill in the blanks given in front of the sentence or words. Okay, students? Just put out the pencil and we will do here. The first one is given a planned movement or strategy. What we call maneuver. It is also given in the book option M-A-N-E maneuver. Okay, in the first blank you will fill this. Okay. Now come to the second. To walk casually or stroll. To walk casually or stroll. Saunter. S-A-U-N-T-E-R. C. Announce officially. Announce officially. That is proclaim. Proclaim. Just feel it. Proclaim. Question number D. Just see here. Difficult to understand. Difficult to understand means complicated. Complicated. It is complicated. Just feel it. To calm, quell. Quell is given here. Quell. Q-U-E-L-L. Quell. Just see. Confusion. Confusion is given. Turmoil. Turmoil. T-U-R-M-O-I-L. Turmoil. G. Badly injured. Wounded. Badly injured. Wounded. Okay. H. I am writing here, students. H. What is there in H? Question number H. Surroundings. Surrounding means environment. Environment. Okay, environment. Environment. I. What is I? Insulting, derogatory. 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 J. Related to the science. Scientific. Related to the science. That will be scientific. SCIEN. Scientific. Okay students, just fill in your book in the learning words given in your book. In the first you will fill the maneuver, in the second saunter, in the third proclaim, fourth complicated, E quell, F turmoil, G wounded, H environment, I derogatory, and J scientific. Okay students, just fill it in your book. Okay, and come to the question answer we will do tomorrow. Come to the true false, which is given at the page number 18. True false, exercise number 2, that is true false. Student, just see, it is also given the same page number. Okay, just see here. State if the following sentences are true or false. The first question is given, Nandu would pass time doing silly and stupid activities. Yes, it was true. So we will write here true. In the first question, the first option will be true. TRUE. Just see, Nandu would pass time doing silly and stupid activities. It is true. So you will write in the first blank, in the first box, true. TRUE. Second question, question number B. Nandu saw a piece of charcoal while going to school. No, while going to market. Okay, while he was not interested to go to school. Okay, so one day he was going to the market. On the way he saw the piece of charcoal. Nandu saw a piece of charcoal while going to school. That is wrong. That is false. So here you will write the false. FALSE. Question number C. Nandu wanted to make the charcoal white. Yes, he wanted to make the charcoal white. That is true. TRUE. Question number D. You see, the milkman asked Nandu to scrub the charcoal with soap and water. Yes, he also told to Nandu to scrub the piece of charcoal with soap and water so that it could be white. So that is true. Okay student, in the first blank you will fill true, in the second you will fill false, in the third, in the question number C, true, and in the question number D, true. Okay students, other exercises, question answer, filling the blanks, and multiple choice question, that is put a tick on the correct option, we will do tomorrow. Okay students, and you will also write the word meaning in your copy. Okay, in your copy you will write only word meaning and question answer, and other exercises you will fill in your book only. Okay students, if you have any kind of confusion or problems, you can mention in the comments, or you can also ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so that's all for today, and those who have already completed this, they will learn, they will avoid writing again. Okay, thank you for today.